Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice right on Ghana and 7TVGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share. Turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Manasseh Azuri and Vim Lady have turned against the NDC and by extension His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. They have become very critical of the John Mahama administration because of his failure to tackle the Galamsey menace. Now, Manasseh posted a debut of Facebook 21 hours ago, and I'm and some of the comments of Ghanaians, and then also Vim Lady also posted something quite similar, and also now, this is what Manasseh Azuri Awuni said on his official Facebook platform. See, if President Mahama wants all Galamsey operators to leave the forests in 2 weeks, he can do it. He can ensure that it is done. Again, Manasseh Azuri says that if President Mahama wants all Galamsey operators to leave the forest in 2 weeks, he can do it. He can ensure that it is done. Ghanaians were reacting under the post, and the way from Jabir Bambigu. Or see, he will do it when the AI app is ready. They are putting finishing touches to the anti-Galamsey AI app. With the app, Galamsey will be abolished in a week, according to Jata Bundle. This is from Prof. Achiao Citizen. None of our leaders has the political will to stop the Galamsey. It is a crazy joke of anyone to expect them to stop it. We are from Linda Mensa. See, Manasseh Azuri Awuni, absolutely true. With strong leadership and real political will, it can be done. We've seen what decisive action looks like before. It is time to stop making excuses and start protecting our environment. But hey, the honest truth is that some of their cronies are solidly behind this menace. This is from James Sakumosi. When he is beneficiary of Galamsey, JM dares not stop it. This one is from Mohammed Idris Osi. I'm told he has a Galamsey site. African leaders. We suffer that Ada Danielson who said there is no will to do it. There is no will to do. That's from Ada Danielson. We are from Eric Brown. Say, Manasseh, please, the pressure that you mounted on Akufo-Addo and the energy you used in writing the expose of the previous government, apply same now. Thank you. Okay, can you say, Manasseh, you saw how you were pressuring Akufo-Addo. So now don't come and reduce the pressure. Pressure, the formula for pressure is force over area. And we need more force over the area of JDM. Apply same pressure. Michael says that yes, it can be done same way the Boku and Binduri crisis can be resolved. Abunaf Ripon says that leave the president alone. Joseph Azuri says he can do it in just 3 days. Martin Kobler says MPP will be happy with this post. Jeffrey Quatin says that so therefore why isn't he doing it? Kweku Mensah said that the president is clearly giving his party members a grace period to mine all they can. Whatever is going on is a party decision that must be obeyed. Let's vociferously do Galamsey for a while and gather something in the period before you come in. They know what they are doing and it isn't healthy. This makes sense. It makes a lot of sense. If Fua says that, can he change the behavior of the Ghanaian? He or she needs money to survive. To hell with anyone telling him Galamsey is evil. Until we all agree that we are destroying our nation, not even God can mend our ways. Sorry, mate. Ras Kweku and they say, when there is a will, the way appears. Emmanuel says politicians have decided not to stop Galamsey. Adi says that he cannot do it alone. It is our chiefs who can help, and they refuse. The lands are for them, and they give it out. So who are you, a politician, to stop them? And to you, Manasseh, why didn't you tell the past government to do so? That's 3 months in office, and you want JM to miraculously end it. At least give him time. Shaking my head. Obi say, how do you expect Mahama to use 3 months to correct 8 years of distraction? Kojuana say a very big if. Henry says that absolutely. Now let's go to Vim Lady. Vim Lady posted the picture of the blue water guards passing out after 4 weeks of training. Wotumi hu nkrɔfo nkrɔfo na wotumi hu obi a wo sɛ nipa we the chief buzo hu pictures nkra best keke hwɛ obi na ayasɛm mu nkrɔfo bi o say na o yɛ tietia no enye easy o na sa nkrɔfo we na o say o mkɔku galamsey yes na o say body men na ade a military for kra call na o ntumi na galamsey na nkrɔfo a yɛ hu na o hyɛ yellow ni black way. The Vim Lady say, Agro woyeni super. Major Mahama Mpo was attacked. Now these spineless water guards sad. So Ghanaians reacted. Or see, a president who will set up, this is from KP Rich, or say, a president who will set up a 12-member committee to remind him of his promises is capable of doing anything. No wonder he has started wasting money in sewing school uniform for his hungry party boys. If there is more of such to happen. Yeah, same school uniform. Kofi even say counting second from left, dude can never reject 500 series bride. Ja Anaman says that this statement is reckless. The most functional way to find solutions to local problems is to utilize local resources. These recruits come directly from Galamsey communities, and if anybody at all can help solve this harmful problem, it is surely them. As first responders, they've been equipped with the skill and knowledge required to handle difficult situations before professional help arrives. So cease irrational. So cease being irrational. Customers say, wow, look at this. Someone says, Zachary said, you see people and think their level of education and exposure adds value to them until you listen or read trash from them. Before Major Mahama was attacked, all efforts towards getting clean water should be halted. Shame on you. Mahama back says that, how can Ghana develop when you have these who call themselves journalists? Teresa says, a country with visionless leaders, all that they are good at is propaganda. Robert Otto says, at least a certain youth somewhere is assured of paying his own rent soon. Better than none. Stop this partisan politics. When you criticize, please do well to create another opportunity. Thank you. Edward says that we are not serious as a country. Alidu Adama says that we all know the circumstances behind Major Mahama's attack. David Lamptey says that why do some people behave like they are enemies whenever their preferred party is not in power? Please, I respect you a lot. Don't expect this comment from you. Why can't you wait and see what will happen in the future? Kwame Jemfi says that my dear sister AyƐka Poku, this your post is below the belt. It shouldn't have come from you. Ajay Douglas says that Shege agro did them eye top rough. It's a plan to steal from Ghana. In the end, we shall see the amount spent on this foolish strategy called Blue Water Guard. Esikra anyeye na araba. Nana Yao says that because they make unnecessary promise, job for the boys, 24-hour economy and the rest, this is what they can do for them, just to send them into their grave. This has been a political round with me, the voice, right here on Ghana TV GH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Then bye bye, cheers. See you in the next one.